They call it the Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of sea between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico where compasses spin, skies collapse without warning, and ships vanish as if swallowed by the air itself. On maps, it looks ordinary. But to those who've crossed it, the ocean there feels wrong. Too quiet, too endless, too alive. The legend began long before the modern world. Sailors of the 1700s wrote of strange lights that danced over the water and fog that glowed without moon or flame. In 1918, a Navy cargo ship named the Cyclops set sail from Barbados with 300 men and 10,000 tons of ore. It never arrived. No SOS, no debris, not even an oil slick. An entire crew gone as if erased from time. Decades later, in 1945, 5 U.S. torpedo bombers left a Florida airfield for a training flight. Their leader radioed that his instruments were failing, the ocean looked wrong, and the sun no longer matched his compass. Each plane carried enough fuel to fly 400 miles. They never found land. The last radio words were, "Don't come after us. They look like they're from outer space." An hour later, the search plane sent to find them vanished too. After that, the triangle had a name. Reporters called it a graveyard of ships and souls. Others called it a doorway. Over the next half-century, hundreds of vessels went missing. Cargo ships, yachts, and even passenger jets. Most without distress calls, some without wreckage. Radar would show the targets 1 second, blank ocean the next. Rescue teams arrived to find nothing but calm seas and empty horizon. Scientists blamed magnetic variation, road waves, methane gas, human error. And sometimes that's all it was, but not always. Pilots described seeing walls of clouds shaped like hexagons, lightning with no thunder, and water columns rising miles high before vanishing. Some returned with their watches hours out of sync, claiming they'd flown through a tunnel of white light where sound disappeared. Their instruments rebooted midair, as if the aircraft had ceased to exist for a moment. In 1963, a freighter named the Marine Sulphur Queen radioed its position near Key West. Minutes later, silence. When the Coast Guard reached the area, they found an oil slick, but no wreckage, no bodies, no reason. The official report simply read, "Cause unknown." By the 1970s, the Bermuda Triangle had become a cultural obsession. Books, documentaries, theories of alien abduction, time warps, and lost technology from Atlantis buried beneath the sea. Divers who explored the seabed claimed to find stone structures shaped like roads and pyramids. Most were dismissed as natural formations, but the sonar images remained. Angular, deliberate, haunting. What keeps the mystery alive isn't just the disappearances, it's the survivors. Sailors pulled from the edge of storms tell of glowing water, instruments that reversed polarity, and engines that died for no reason, then restarted as if nothing had happened. One yacht drifted ashore with dinner still set on the table and every clock frozen at the same time. For those who study the region, the deeper question is not where things vanish, but when. Every compass error, every radar echo, every missing hour might point to something bigger, a flaw in space and time itself. The Earth's magnetic field is strongest there, intersected by deep ocean trenches and volcanic vents that release immense energy. If nature has weak points, this could be one of them. A place where physics stutters and reality forgets itself for just a second. Even today, aircraft occasionally lose contact over that stretch of sea. GPS fails, radios crackle with voices that shouldn't exist, coordinates loop endlessly back to where they started. When control towers call, the pilots answer in calm voices that sound delayed, as if echoing from another moment in time. Some scientists quietly admit the anomaly isn't limited to the triangle. There are other places on Earth where compasses tilt and clocks drift, but nowhere else has swallowed so many. Maybe there's no mystery at all, only coincidence amplified by fear. Or maybe the ocean there is deeper than science can measure, a wound in the planet that never healed. Some think it hides an ancient power source, others a gate to somewhere else. The truth could be both simpler and stranger, that in certain places, reality itself forgets to keep its shape. As night falls over that water, the waves look like polished glass, and the stars reflect perfectly, as if the sky and sea are the same. Ships glide across it unaware, following coordinates written centuries ago, unaware they're crossing through one of the oldest questions left on Earth. The Bermuda Triangle endures because it isn't just about what was lost. It's about what refuses to stay found. An invisible geometry where science ends and myth begins, and the ocean decides what it wants to keep. This is Truth in the Shadow's Eye. Subscribe for more.